Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today we will be learning how you can easily download and install the cex.io application on your smartphone. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your device that you're using is connected to a stable internet, and then open your Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, type in cex.io and search. Look for this application from cex.io Limited and tap on the Get or the Install button to begin downloading the app. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if you are using the iOS device. After a successful authentication, the download process will begin. Once the application is installed, you can launch the app open and get started with creating a new account or sign into your existing account, and that's it. That's how you easily download and install the cex.io application on your smartphone, whether you are using an Android or iOS. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.